Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. Yes, in case you're new here, you're most welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by and watching my video. In today's recipe, we are preparing chicken with potato. So stay tuned as I take you along. Yes, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Yes, so guys, this is the ingredients that I'm going to use. Yes, for preparing our chicken. We got potato here and carrot here, and also red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. And we got our boneless chicken thigh here, and we got our mix. This is ginger with garlic, and this is a Greek yogurt. And this is combined spices that we're going to use for preparing our chicken, guys. Yes, start by cutting our chicken boneless thigh into small pieces, and then we'll marinate it for 15 minutes. And then after that, we are going to start our cooking, guys. So let's start the process. Like as I said, this is a boneless chicken thigh. So I'll cut off the excess fats away, because I'm going to use oil for frying our chicken, so I don't want it to be too oily. That's why I'm cutting off the extra fat from the chicken. As you can see here, there's a lot of fat all over. I'll try to cut some of it out as much as I can. So guys, what do you think about this video? Please comment down below and let me know. For my new subscribers, please, you're most welcome. Yes, please subscribe and comment down below in this channel. Yes, may God bless you all. Thank you so much. Yes, so the chicken is all chopped. Yes, so it's time for us to marinate it. Yeah, I got this is a Greek yogurt. Yeah, I'm going to add it in here for marinating our chicken. The Greek yogurt will make the chicken to cook so fast, and also to make our chicken taste so yummy and soft and tender. So this is ginger and garlic, the paste. I'm going to add it in there as well. And followed by our mixed spices. In this spice, there is curry, black pepper, sweet paprika, and coriander. Yes, so and then 1 teaspoon of salt for the taste, and then super light soy sauce. Now just pour a bit, not too much. Yeah, that's it. And then I'll mix them all together. So that's it. I'll cover it like that, and then to go in the fridge. So I'm gonna leave in the fridge for 15 minutes. Yes, and then I'll come back and get it to start our cooking. Is butter, then I'll add in the chicken. So we'll be using extra virgin olive oil. I'll add it in a little bit. Onion. So guys, it's time for me to add in the potato. Yeah, I'll go ahead and add in the potato in the frying onion. The onion is already fried. The reason why I'm adding the potato first because the chicken has been frying and I don't want to overcook my chicken. Yeah. Then I'll stir. I'll go ahead and season it with salt. Not too much, remember, because earlier we had already added in the chicken salt, so to avoid using a lot of salt, so we just add a little bit, not too much. I'll cover it. I'll let it steam for 5 minutes and I'll come and add in the chicken. See that, guys? The flavor is so amazing in here. Time to add in the chicken. This is our chicken. I'll add it in there. And stir. The aroma is so delicious, guys. Yes. So I got my seasoning cube. The seasoning cube I want. I'll just add it here for the flavor. And then stir. Bay leaves for the flavor as well. And then stir. And then our tomato paste. And cover and let it cook for 5 minutes, and then I'll add in our vegetable because I don't want to overcook the remaining vegetable. I want it to be crunchy and not overcooked when we are eating it. Look at that. I haven't added water. That's the liquid from the chicken. Yes. So let's go ahead and add in the carrot. And stir. And cover it for 1 minute, and then I'll come and add in our bell pepper. I'll cover it again and let it simmer for 1 minute and then it will be ready. That's it. So guys, our sauce is ready. As you can see, the vegetable is not overcooked. That's what I want. I don't want the vegetable to overcooked and lose the nutrients. So that's it. I'll go ahead and turn off the heat. It's all ready. I'm gonna serve it into the bowl here. Yeah. Absolutely delicious, the aroma in the kitchen. Oh my god, amazing and delicious. Yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video. In case you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your family and friends. Yes, and also hit the notification bell so that next time when I upload new video, you'll be the first one to be notified and you'll not miss out of my amazing cooking video. Yes, so yeah, see you into my next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.